Hello there. This is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and I was thinking it's been a while since I did a video in this series of If You Only Have One Crystal. And I thought let's combine it with the fall season. So here it is. If you are like me that thinks that brown is the new black, or you've been looking for crystals that are not smoky quartz or tiger's eyes because you have plenty of those, and you have also been wondering what else is out there for the root chakra that is not red or black, well, have you come across bronzite? This is a beautiful brownish greenish stone with a shine to it, a chatoyance quality. It's very much like the colors of the fall season. It's a crystal that promotes harmony and helps with temper. In the physical aspects, it helps with the absorption of iron and magnesium. And again, if you need it, it can be used for psychic protection. Be clear in your intention and do not use the stone to send energy back. Think about transmuting for the greater good. In terms of chakras, its energy resonates with sacral, root, and earth chakras. If I were to come with a tagline for this crystal, it will be pull yourself together with bronzite. How to use it? Very easy. The easiest to carry it in your person, either in your pockets or in a medicine bag, or wear jewelry. Combined with black tourmaline or black obsidian, you can use it to grid a room for an energy you want to maintain or to protect it. In a chakra layout, use it for the lower chakras. So I hope this was informative and brief. Don't forget to download your free guide and check the links below for free mini courses in Everyday Crystal Magic School. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Halloween.